Hey guys, Jameson of Wood Creative Group back here with another tutorial. Everyone at home right now and going on Facebook Live, so I thought I'd give some tips and tricks on how to go on Facebook Live and present a project or a PowerPoint, as well as have your face and you can go through the project while going on Facebook Live. I'm consulting a number of my clients through this, so I thought I would put up a tutorial. So first you're going to open your PowerPoint or your document, make sure that it's available and ready. Okay, navigate to your Facebook page. Right at the top of your Facebook page, you will see that you can create a live feed here. So by clicking on that button, it's going to open up your camera, the camera on your laptop. There I am. Hey everybody. And you'll see on the right side that there's all these different details for your live stream, a title, comments, and everything like that, as well as sharing your screen, your mic, your camera. And so we're going to focus on sharing your screen today. And we want to share a screen because currently there's no way to switch back and forth between sharing a screen and your face. So when you go to share your screen, you'll have to add an extension to your Google Chrome. This is a very fast and easy thing to do, as you're seeing. Once your Google Chrome extension is added on, you'll see that there's multiple different options. For screen share, there's a Chrome tab, there's application window, and there's your entire screen. We're going to choose your entire screen. Okay, this will kind of give a double mirror effect, and that's no problem. I'm just going to put a quick title on this because I do need to go live to show you how this works. So then you're going to go live. It's going to count you in. Wonderful. You're streaming live on Facebook. So now you're going to bring up your project, whether it be a Word document or a PowerPoint. You're going to position it on your page. Okay, and so right now you're live streaming your screen, and so your project. The next thing to do is open Zoom or another webcam client where you can see your own face. There I am again. And you're not really going to start a meeting or anything. All you need to do is be able to show your face, because remember, you're effectively live streaming your screen. And so the mic from your laptop is going to pick up your audio. And so now you're able to position your project on your screen, which are your live streaming, and your face. And so now I can talk about my project as I scroll down and go through my PowerPoint, my Word document, all while being on my laptop at home. And again, this is important because right now Facebook Live does not offer the feature to switch between your camera and a share screen. So this is the workaround for that. Once you're done live streaming, right, you can end your live stream, and it's important to remember that you can either delete the video or save it. And so you're going to want to save it. Always save your live videos because the first thing you're going to want to do, even if you don't want the live video to stay on your page, you can navigate to the video itself. Okay, and you can go into the options. I have a little trouble here. Forget exactly where it is. You go to the video itself, and the dots on the top right of the page. There you go, Jameson. No. Oh, I'll get it in a sec. There we go. You can download the video, and then you can go ahead and delete it.